So we're like at the mall, and she said, "Go away." So I better stop her.
Yeah, you play too much the phone.
Yeah, I gotta answer this. I gotta answer. Hello?
I want pizza.
Oh, fine, what's your pizza? I gotta go, man. Bye. Let's go. Oh my God, I hit somebody. Oh my God. Get me out of here. What do you want? No, don't take my pizza.
This means war. Oh, I'm drunk.
Hey, disappeared. I got my pizza! Yeah! The pizza of my customer! Yeah! I'm gonna ring the doorbell.
A pizza's here! Yeah!
Your pizza's here!
Really? What's on it?
Pepperoni and anchovies like you asked.
Yay!